The Nature Collection from TileBar is all about bringing the outdoors in. These mosaics are raw, honed stones and marble, creating a textural landscape. Each sheet is comprised of varying shapes of natural stone, creating a captivating pattern. This isn't your typical uniform tile. It's got character, depth, offering a unique, organic feel to any space, making it versatile for both commercial and residential applications. You can use this mosaic on floors, on walls. Imagine it as a kitchen backsplash, or shower floor, or even an outdoor feature wall. The honed finish gives it a smooth, matte look while preserving the natural texture. Each sheet is about 12 inches by 12 inches and 11 millimeters thick, so they're easy to handle. This particular tile is made from pebble stones, including other colors such as black, antique, white Carrara, and tumbled lava gray. When ordering, I suggest get a sample first. You can get samples for just $5 with free shipping. Natural stone products will have inherent variations in color, shade, character, including markings and veinings throughout the lots. Also, some stones may have filled voids that can polish differently from the stone. Because of the uniqueness of the stone samples, make sure you love it before you buy it. If you love that product, I know you'll like this one. So click that video, I made it just for you. And also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click that thumbs up notification, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. And as always, keep learning together and let's tile the world.